Hello and welcome back to English Practice Beginners. Today's conversation practice is for anyone who wants to speak English with more confidence, more calm, and more clarity in daily life. This lesson is especially for beginners who understand basic English but feel nervous when they try to speak. Many learners know words and sentences, but when the moment comes to talk, their mind becomes busy, their heart beats faster, and their voice feels weak. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world feel the same way every day. Speaking English is not only about vocabulary or grammar, it is also about confidence, comfort, and trust in yourself. Today we are going to talk about how daily English conversation practice can slowly change the way you speak, think, and feel when using English. Many beginners believe that they cannot speak English because they are not good enough yet. They think they need more grammar, more words, or a better accent before they can speak confidently. This belief is very common, but it is also very limiting. English is not something you prepare forever and then start using one day. English is something you learn by using it little by little. Every conversation, even a small one, helps your brain become more comfortable with the language. Confidence does not come after perfect English. Confidence grows while you practice, while you make mistakes, and while you continue speaking even when you feel unsure. This is why daily conversation practice is so powerful. It trains your mind to stay calm and focused instead of afraid. Many beginners worry too much about making mistakes. They stop in the middle of a sentence. They change their words. Sometimes they stay silent because they do not want to sound wrong. But mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are signs of learning. Every fluent speaker you hear today made thousands of mistakes in the past. The difference is that they did not stop speaking because of those mistakes. They continued. Daily practice helps you accept mistakes as part of the process. When you speak every day, mistakes become normal and fear slowly becomes smaller. Listening is also a very important part of speaking. Many beginners try to speak without listening enough. But listening teaches your brain how English sounds naturally. It helps you understand rhythm, stress, and sentence flow. When you listen daily to simple, clear English conversations, your brain starts to recognize patterns. You begin to feel which sentences sound natural, even before you fully understand why. This is how children learn languages, and this is how adults can learn too. Listening and speaking should grow together. One important reason why beginners feel nervous is speed. English often sounds fast, especially in movies or real conversations. When learners try to copy this speed, they feel stressed. They rush their words and their speech becomes unclear. Speaking slowly is not a weakness. Speaking slowly is a strength. Slow speech gives you time to think, breathe, and choose your words. It also makes your pronunciation clearer. Many confident speakers speak slowly and calmly. They are not in a hurry. They trust their voice. When you practice daily, you learn to control your speed and stay relaxed. Another important part of confident English speaking is using simple sentences. Many beginners think that advanced English means long and complex sentences. But in real conversations, simple sentences are very powerful. They are easy to understand and easy to remember. Simple sentences help you express ideas clearly without stress. When your sentences are clear, listeners feel comfortable and conversations become smoother. daily practice helps you build strong, simple sentences that you can use again and again in real life. Vocabulary is also important, but you do not need thousands of words to speak confidently. You need the right words for daily situations, words for greetings, opinions, feelings, questions, and simple explanations. When you practice daily conversations, you naturally repeat useful words. Repetition helps your memory. Over time, these words become automatic. You stop translating in your head, and speaking becomes easier. This is why daily practice is more effective than studying long word lists once in a while. Confidence also comes from understanding that English belongs to everyone. English is a global language. People from many countries use English to communicate, work, and connect. Most English speakers in the world are not native speakers. They speak with different accents and styles. Communication still happens because people focus on meaning, not perfection. Your goal is not to sound like someone else. Your goal is to be understood and to express yourself. Daily practice helps you accept your own voice and speak without fear. When you practice English conversations every day, something interesting happens. Your brain starts to feel familiar with English. Situations that once felt stressful become normal. Your body relaxes. Your voice becomes steadier. You start to enjoy speaking instead of fearing it. This change does not happen in one day, but it happens with consistency. Small daily steps create big changes over time. Listening practice is especially helpful for beginners. When you listen to clear, slow conversations, you train your ear. You learn how words connect and how sentences flow. This makes it easier to respond when you speak. Speaking and listening are connected skills. Improving one helps the other. Daily listening practice builds a strong foundation for confident speaking. Another important part of conversation practice is patience. Many beginners want fast results. They feel frustrated if they do not see improvement quickly. Language learning is not a race, it is a journey. Some days feel easier and some days feel harder. This is normal. What matters is showing up every day and practicing a little. Even 10 or 15 minutes of daily conversation practice can make a big difference over time. Confidence also grows when you stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Some people speak more, some listen more, and some need more time. Comparison creates pressure and stress. Focus on your own progress. Notice small improvements. Maybe today you understand more than yesterday. Maybe you speak with less fear. These small signs mean you are moving forward. Daily English conversation practice also helps you think in English. At first, many beginners translate from their first language. This takes time and creates stress. But with regular practice, your brain starts to connect English words directly to meaning. You respond faster. Your thoughts become clearer. This is a sign of real progress. Confidence is not loud or perfect. Confidence is calm and steady. It is the ability to speak even when you are not sure. It is the willingness to try. Daily practice builds this kind of confidence slowly and naturally. You do not need to force it. You just need to continue. As you continue your daily English practice, remember that speaking is a skill, not a test. You are not being judged. You are learning. Every time you speak, you are training your brain and your voice. Every sentence is practice. Every conversation is progress. By practicing daily conversations, listening carefully, and speaking calmly, you create a strong foundation for fluent English. You begin to trust yourself. You stop waiting for perfection and start using English as a tool to connect with people. As we come to the end of this lesson, remember one important idea. You do not need to be perfect to speak English confidently. You need practice, patience, and belief in yourself. Daily conversation practice helps you build all three. Your voice matters, your English matters, and your journey is valid. Thank you for practicing with English Practice Beginners. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep going. Confidence grows one conversation at a time.